everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up Empress Mimi, which is a lingerie subscription. It comes in such a cute box every time, wrapped up so nicely. So Empress Mimi offers several different subscription plans. I'm gonna leave their link down below so you can explore their page. They also have a shop that you can buy items from directly if you don't want to subscribe. It is based out of the UK, but it does ship worldwide. I think they're actually based out of London. It says on here Empress Mimi London. So I'm super excited to see what's in here, so we will unbox this in just a moment. I just want to remind you all that I do have several giveaways going on our channel. They are linked down below, so if you have not yet entered, they end the 24th, so definitely check those out. And again, I will link Empress Mimi, and they also gave me a promo code, so that will be in the description box as well, along with pricing information. So let's get started. I feel bad like unwrapping it. It's so cute with this pink ribbon. So here's the box up close without the ribbon. Super cute. So you can save this. You can store it in here or use the box for something else if you would like. And oh, this is so cute. So this month it says Empress Mimi presents Feline Fatale. I feel like this is like made for me. Whenever there's anything with a cat, I'm like, oh, it's totally for me. And on the back it says, catitude is everything. I agree. All about the catitude. And then in here it has some words. Let's see. It says, Feline Fatale. This world is a jungle, and you are the wild cat that roars and gracefully walks its surface. You are the lioness, the tigress, the cougar. You never settle for less. Your fierceness is known, and now it's time to exude your bewitching, sexy side in this feline wardrobe wonder, lovingly handcrafted to satisfy both the sophisticated and the fun-loving catwoman in you. Say hello to the Feline Fatale. This sleek yet sensuous piece will be your all-day partner in crime. Turn heads and create that spellbinding atmosphere without even whispering a single word. Drape your curves in it while you lounge and relax at home, away from the hustle and bustle of the world. When it's time to show up, wear it with a pair of high-waisted trousers or flowy skirt, all geared up to conquer the concrete jungle that is your very own catwalk. Catitude is everything, after all. Kitten kisses, XOXO Empress Mimi. Look, there's even like little cat scratches there. Okay, I am super intrigued to see what this is now. Oh my god, this... Ooh, so it's like a jumpsuit. That's why they were saying you can like pair it with other things. I love this. So it's like sheer on the top. And then it has the flower design like over the breast area. And it goes all the way down. Oh my god, this is great. On the back it's button closures. As you can see, there's like a keyhole part there, and then there's some more buttons. So the most of this is like sheer, but when you get to the bottom, it's more of like a satin feel, so it's not sheer in like the crotch region. Crotch is such an ugly word. This is so cute. So this is Crown Your Booty, Empress Mimi. I love this so much. You can totally wear this in so many different ways. You can just wear it alone to be like sexy at home, whatever. Or you can wear this with like jeans and like a leather, or like faux leather jacket or whatever. Or with a skirt. Oh my god, you guys, I cannot wait to wear this. Maybe you'll see me wearing it in a video soon if it's not too provocative. It covers up all your lady bits, but this is like super sexy and cute. I love the stuff they send so much. Like, we've gotten this like beautiful like coral like one shoulder swimsuit before, which is super unique. We've gotten like lacy matching like bra and panties. I've gotten this a few times, so if you haven't seen my other videos, I'll like link some down below, or a playlist. I can't remember if I've created a playlist yet, but I definitely will. But I am so excited about this. There's also a sheet in here. They have a really good like return and exchange policy. So it says you have 14 days from the date you receive your order to make your return or exchange. So if you don't like the style or if it doesn't fit you, you can return or exchange it. So that is great. So I love 14 days is a good window too. So if you're not home to get the package right away, like within 2 weeks, you should be able to get your item and try it on, everything like that. But I am super happy with this month. I can't wait to try it on. Like, super excited and just see like what I can do with it, different, like pair it with different things in my wardrobe. But yeah, you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. How do you think I should wear this? Are you guys subscribed to this? Did you guys get this? But anyways, this is probably my favorite one ever. I mean, of course I love like the theme. So you could see the woman wearing it here like with a skirt, it looks like. But yeah, this is like my favorite one ever. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I love you so much. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.